Go. Okay, so state your full name.
Raul Brito Vasquez.
Okay, now am I paying you for this?
No.
No, you wish I was.
Wait.
Okay, so quick question for you. You've been doing the Fisher traction in the back on your neck now for how long?
Maybe like 3 or 4 months.
3 or 4 months? Okay. What do you notice when you're on it? How does it feel?
It feels really good. Yeah.
Can you tell, is it affecting your pain in your neck?
It's helping a lot. Yeah.
So do you think when you first started, like on a scale of 1 to 10, you know, how much pain were you in when you first started coming in?
I was like in like a 9.
Like a 9. And what are you at now?
Like 5.
About a 5 or 4. It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
So you like using it?
Yes, I actually.
Awesome. That's all we want to know. There we go. Good.